In today's tutorials, we are going to solve for this exponential equation. Now we have 9 raised to 4 raised m equals to 4 raised 9 raised m. Okay, so we can say that 9 has a power of 4 to the power m and 4 has a power of 9 to the power m. How do you solve for m? Okay, now anytime we have powers and we want to bring them down, the only way out is to take log on both sides. So we have powers here and we want to bring them down, so I'll take log on both sides. That will be log, so it will be log 9 to 4 to the power m equals to log 4 and we have 9 to the power m. Now when you have log a to the power t, the same as t log a, so 9 to the power m and 4 to the power m will come down. So I'll have 4 to the power m log 9 equals to 9 to the power m log 4. All right. Okay, now let's observe the relationship between 4 to the power m and 9 to the power m. Now, we could see that 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 4. Sorry, 3 squared is 9. It means that a number squared is 4 and a number squared is 9. All right. Now, what we are going to do here is to group these numbers on one side and the logs on one side. So I will divide both sides by 4 to the power m. So I want this side to come here. I want this one to come to this side. So I will leave it log 9 equals to, so let me also divide both sides by log 4, which will pave way for log 4 coming to the left. So this one will cancel this over log 4. And this side will be 9 to the power m on 4 to the power m. As simple as that. Now let's observe this and that. Okay. Remember we are after m. So log 9 over log 4. When you have log x squared over log y squared, this one will be 2 log x over 2 log y, whereby this one will cancel. So we can express 9 as 3 squared and 4 as 2 squared. So we have log 3 squared over log 2 squared equals to, so we can also write 9 as 3 squared and 4 as that. So we have 9 to the power m, so that will be 3 to the power 2m on 2 to the power 2m. Okay. Now, when we have x to the power n over l to the power n, is the same as x on l all to the power n. So my right hand side is the same as 3 on 2 all raised to 2m. All raised to 2m. Okay, and this side will be 2 log 3 flowing per rule on 2 log 2. Okay, so this will cancel. So I have log 3 on log 2 equals to 3 on 2 to the power m. Alright, now when we have log a over log b the same as log a to base b. So check this one. Log 3 on log 2 is the same as log 3 to base 2 per change of base. So the next step will be log 3 to base 2 equals that 3 on 2 all to the power 2m. Okay, now in order to make this one easier and faster, let's represent 3 on 2 by k. So that will be log 3 to base 2 equals to k to the power 2m. So from here we can bring this 2m down by taking log again. All right, so we can also let this one be, let's say p. So instead of this I'll put p there. Okay, so let's take log again. That will be log p equals log k to the power 2m. So from here log p is the same as 2m log k. Now to find this we have to divide both sides by log k. Okay, so that will be 2m, this one will cancel, equals to log p on log k. All right, so from here remember the rule that log a over log b is the same as log a to base b. So we have 2m as log p to base k, and we can divide both sides by 2, or we can multiply both sides by 1 over 2, where this one will go. So my m is half log p to base k. So let's do substitution. What is p? P is log 3 to base 2. So let me change the color here. So p is log 3 to base 2, and that is p, and k is 3 on 2. So k is a base here, 3 and 2. So this is the final answer. All right, subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.